Hello everybody, this is TJ with PTU Trend Jumper at Netpicks.com. So I just got filled at 98.88. I'm going to 98.73. My stop's at 98.01. This is based on one of the Trend Jumper strategies as taught in the boot camp. We have a boot camp coming up, so I thought it would be appropriate to record a video with this strategy. It's a unique approach to the trend jumper, a little different than what we typically do every day, but it's one I really like. You can see I've got my matrix over here with TradeStation. I'm actually trading this through Thinkorswim, so I have to kind of toggle back and forth here. Let's scoot this over so we could see it. Got my price ladder over here. I got a chart over here, which I don't really use. I'm really just using the TradeStation chart. And if I get to that first target, I will lock in one tick and take the risk off the trade. I'm trying to get to the middle target here. I'm just trading a single contract right now. Usually this is a two-position approach, but my theme lately has been to show traders that you can do this with a relatively small account and that you can be successful even with a single contract. As your account grows, you can then scale up to the full potential of the trend jumper. We're about to launch a new set of pro tools to plug into the trend jumper, which is opening up a whole new level of potential trade plans and possibilities. I'm really excited about that. Hopefully we will survive this trade. Crude is definitely kind of in rally mode here. I took a counter trend trade just to try to catch a bit of a pullback. Notice that the stop is right up here at 99.01. So far it's been able to hold. Just let this play out. You could definitely see some nice winners early on all the way up. That was before my start time. The pit opening here in a minute, so hopefully we'll survive this trade. See what happens in about 10 seconds. Alright, so it's going our way by the skin of our teeth, escaping. Let's see, we are now at risk free, so I've got to move my stop down, lock in my tick, and it happened faster than I can move it. So I'm out of the trade. 15 cents profit. Did I panic? No. I had my stop in place. Everyone knows the adage, plan your trade and trade your plan. The trend jumper has the complete trade plan built into every single trade. There's no guesswork. I knew exactly what I was doing. Some trades are going to lose. I already know that. I accept that. But the longer term winning edge that the strategy gives me day after day, is enough to grow my account on a steady basis, and that's all I need to make money as a trader. That's the secret. So if I were trading this with two positions, the stop would be here. A couple ticks locked in. It hasn't yet developed, but if it keeps going lower, you could see how the trailer could pick up a nice gain. This point, it's going to trail this green line here. That gives the trade room to breathe and to go up and down and hopefully continue lower if I were in another position, of course. I could also add to my position. There are times when you could literally scale in. It's more of an advanced approach. You'll notice that there was another setup here. I ignored it. It's not really part of my trade plan at this point in time. But it did just hit its money management level, and that trade also would be at risk-free. The stop would move down, and you would lock in a tick on that second position as well. Basically, you just handle it the same way as the first one. You just follow the plan. Each trade is a complete trade plan. Notice how I wasn't really worried about the counter trend trade. I definitely went against the trend. One of the things we learn with Trend Jumper is when you get space between your lines and the price typically wants to move back to those lines. And so we can get setups that take us against the trend for pretty great high percentage trades, actually. This is actually a trade I would have felt more comfortable in taking than this one up here. That one up here just ended up canceling anyway, but after a move like this up, I was looking for the move back down to the line here. That's exactly what happened. Where it goes from here is anyone's guess, but it looks like it may want to go lower just because those are the setups that we have working at the moment. Thanks for joining me this morning, everybody. Look forward to some future videos. I'm going to show you some of the new pro tools that we're coming out with in the next few days. So hopefully I'll see you then. This is TJ with the PTU Trend Jumper at netpicks.com. Have a great weekend.